Hey everyone, it's Heather with PlantText, here to give a quick introduction to the ultimate online PlantUML editor. Whether you're a software developer, an architect, a systems admin, or a business analyst, PlantText quickly generates diagrams that can be versioned and shared. Let's dive in. Here's the main work area. On the left, you'll find the text editor, and on the right is your diagram. We also have some menu options off to the far right, but we'll circle back and talk about them later. When you first come into PlantText, whatever diagram you were working on last automatically loads for you. In this case, because I'm new, the default diagram has loaded. PlantText is ready for you to start using immediately. No sign up, no login. The text you write on the left is automatically rendered into the diagram on the right. Pretty cool. So if you're already familiar with PlantUML, you can just start typing. But if you are new to PlantUML, don't worry, we've got you covered. Just click on the Samples button. Maybe we want to create a sequence diagram. The Samples window gives you a little preview of what that will look like. Or maybe we want to do a use case. But today I think we're going to do a class diagram. All right, this looks like it'll give us a pretty good start. Just click Replace Diagram and then close the Samples window. Now we have the start of a class diagram. We've got the class dwelling, and it is composed of door and window. We also have apartment, house, and commune, which are all inheriting from dwelling. First off, let's give ourselves a little bit more working room here. You also can pop out your diagram if you are working on two monitors, for example. This is a super useful feature. Just click on pop out. All right, let's go ahead and remove some of these notes that we don't really need. Next, we're going to add public property. And a private one. All right, and let's give ourselves two new methods as well. We got to be able to unlock the door. And very important, we need to be able to throw a party. That's a critical element of any dwelling. All right. As we're typing, notice how PlantText instantly updates the diagram on the right. Seeing those changes real time is so helpful, and it's because we have this refresh option checked. PlantText is automatically refreshing and saving our diagram every 5 seconds. If for some reason you want to turn off auto refresh, just uncheck it. All right, we're going to call our diagram good. Once you're happy with your diagram, you can export it to PNG, SVG, or even a text-based diagram format. Just click on the link to see the image. You can right-click on the image to save it to a file or paste it into a document. To share not only the diagram image, but the PlantUML as well, just right-click on Share, copy the link address, and paste it wherever you would like. This gives you an idea of what the recipient will see. Super easy, right? Last thing before we go, I did say I would tell you about these menu options on the right. First off, this menu is draggable, which is handy. You can get it out of your way if you're working on a big diagram. This little eyeball up here just opens the samples window, gives you another way to get there. The megaphone takes you to the news. This gear opens the settings window, and there is a lot of stuff in the settings window. We're not going to get into it all right now, but you can change the layout of the page. You can change the diagram theme. You can even change the editor theme. Okay, we're going to just return our settings to default. Okay. Below the settings window, we have the help window to connect you with some PlantText resources. And then down here, this little door with an arrow is the login. It's totally free to become a registered user on PlantText, and it opens up a few more features and settings. We'll be talking about that in another video. All right, that's it for the right menu. So that's a quick walkthrough on how you can start using PlantText to create diagrams in just a few minutes. Whether you're designing a class, a whole system, or just visualizing ideas, PlantText can help you get it done quickly. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and go to planttext.com to start creating your diagrams today.